Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys the simple way to create a password protected Microsoft Word file in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to go to your start menu and open the Word document on your computer. So I will type here Word, and after that open the Word document. Now I will go to the blank document, so I will create a new blank document. So now I will type anything over there. Now go to File and click on Info. Now here you will get one option, is called Protect Document. So click over there. Now click on Encrypt with Password. Now you have to put any password over there, like I will put here 123. Again I have to put the same password, which is 123. Now click on OK. Now go to Save As and go to that location where you want to save this document file. So I will put over there Technology, and I will select save under desktop folder. So click on Save. So as you can see here, you will automatically create one file, doc file over there. So now close this window and I will refresh, and once again I will try to open the doc file. As you can see, it's showing the password prompt window, and now I have to put that password what I have set for this doc file and click on OK. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.